Okay guys, getting the PCI RACE radios installed. Check this feature out. Bitchin' billet flush mount piece that the adapter goes in, and basically it comes in like this. You hold it flush right there, and there's a set screw that goes there. What we're going to be doing is, the old race radios were right here. We're going to be enlarging that hole, mounting these flush mounts, lift the seat up, and then run the wires behind it. So stay tuned. Perfect, just like that. Look how nice that is. Caution was, don't set these set screws too deep because you could ruin the radio, the adapter, see?
A little caution, little piece of paper
like
that was inside.
Don't tighten those too tight.
Alright, last one. Alright, so this is where we are currently. Hubby's been back here. What have you been doing, honey?
We're putting the set screws on the female side of the connections.
He's trying to crawl around the space. Says it's my turn next.
So, but it's right there. You don't. I know that. No. Yes, I can hear you now. Yes, I can hear you now. Can you hear me now? Let's set it off right now. Now. Okay. So why not pick up my voice? Nothing picks up your voice. I can hear you right now. Nothing picks up your voice. I can hear you. Just have talk. You don't put the microphone out. That's what they say. I am not going to keep my microphone. Sounds good. Can I hear you? What? Okay, it's working.